Have you ever woken up one day and realized something feels off? The woman you care about, the woman you would do anything for, suddenly looks at you differently. Not with admiration, not with affection, but with a kind of quiet disappointment, or worse, disrespect. And the crazy part? You can feel it. You can sense it in her tone, in her attitude, in the way she reacts or doesn't react to you anymore. Whether you're dating, in a long-term relationship, or even trying to rebuild things after a breakup, nothing in the world works if a woman does not respect you. Today I want to break down the number one most powerful way to regain respect, something most men completely overlook. The power of walking away, not as a game, not as manipulation, not to punish her, but as a form of self-respect so strong that it forces her to see you differently. Let's dive in. Point 1. The power of walking away. Whenever I tell guys they need to walk away, I get the same reaction. But what if I lose her? What if she moves on? What if she stops caring? And I get it. Walking away feels like jumping off a cliff with no parachute. But here's the truth most men don't understand. People don't value what they think they can never lose. That includes women. That includes relationships. That includes you. Even if she says she's done, even if she acts like she doesn't care. When you pull your energy back, when you stop chasing, when you stop being emotionally available on demand, something in her brain fires, a psychological shift that makes her reevaluate you. It's the same reason we notice something only after it's gone or unavailable. Walking away creates space. Space creates clarity. Clarity creates respect. But understanding why it works is only half the battle. We need to talk about when walking away is the most powerful tool you have. The first problem, when you started needing her too much. A lot of guys don't want to admit this, but sometimes we become our own worst enemy. Maybe your world started to revolve around her. Maybe you stopped hanging out with your friends, stopped pursuing your goals, and placed her at the center of everything. Maybe you texted too much. Maybe you overanalyzed everything she said. Maybe you relied on her reassurance instead of building your own confidence. When a man becomes needy, a woman loses two things. 1. Attraction. 2. Respect. Not because she's cruel, but because neediness signals insecurity, and insecurity kills polarity. Walking away here isn't punishment. It's a reset. It's a chance to rebuild yourself into a man she can admire again. And when she sees you no longer clinging to her for emotional survival, her perception of you shifts instantly. The second problem, when you were overbearing or the relationship turned toxic, sometimes the problem isn't neediness, it's control. Maybe you constantly checked where she was. Maybe you questioned everyone she talked to. Maybe you micromanaged her every move without even realizing it. Or maybe she was the one creating toxicity, manipulating, disrespecting, pushing boundaries, or treating you like an option. Either way, toxicity destroys respect from both sides. Walking away in this situation serves two purposes. It forces both of you to stop the cycle. It shows her you won't tolerate disrespect from her or from yourself. A high-value man removes himself from anything that drains his peace, and women take notice of that instantly. The third problem, when she started disrespecting you, this one is hard to face, but absolutely necessary to talk about. Maybe she stood you up, talked down to you, played games, compared you to other men, or treated your time and effort like it meant nothing. A woman acts this way for one reason, because she thinks she can. If you allow disrespect, you teach her to repeat it. Walking away here is not optional, it's essential. It tells her, I don't chase disrespect, I don't stay where I'm not valued. A man with standards is always respected, even by the woman who pushed him away. Point 3. Why walking away works. Walking away affects her psychology in several powerful ways. Number 1, it breaks her pattern. She's used to you being available. She's used to you reacting. She's used to you chasing. When you step back, you interrupt her expectations. Number 2, it restores your value. Distance reminds her of who you were before insecurity took over. Number 3, it creates emotional contrast. When your presence disappears, it suddenly becomes valuable again. Number 4, it gives you time to grow. You can't expect respect from anyone if you haven't built self-respect first. Walking away is not about her. It's about you reclaiming yourself. The key: personal growth while you're away. Here's what most men get wrong. Walking away without self-improvement is just disappearing. Walking away with self-improvement becomes transformation. During this time, focus on your fitness, building new skills, working on your goals, reconnecting with your purpose, strengthening your self-discipline, surrounding yourself with positive people, leveling up mentally, emotionally, and physically. You aren't walking away to get her back. You're walking away to get yourself back. And that is what ultimately earns her respect, whether the two of you reunite or you choose to move on. Point 4. How to walk away the right way. Walking away doesn't mean ghosting. It doesn't mean slamming doors or starting fights. It simply means saying something like, I need some time for myself. I'm stepping back for now. I hope you understand. Calm, direct, respectful, no drama, no begging, no emotional explosions. Just a man making a decision. After that, no chasing, no over-explaining, no checking her social media, no waiting by the phone. Focus on you when you reconnect. If you decide to reconnect later, do it like a man with options. Calm, confident, grounded, not desperate, not seeking permission, but also not arrogant. Lead the interaction. Show change through your actions, not through speeches. Remember, respect isn't demanded. It's earned through consistent character. At the end of the day, walking away is not quitting. It's not giving up. It's not playing games. It's choosing your peace over chaos, your self-worth over approval, and your future over your fear. Walking away is the ultimate reset button, not just for her, but for you. And here's the best part. When you walk away with strength, growth, and purpose, one of two things happens. She comes back with respect, or you become so much better that you no longer want the old version of her anyway. Either way, you win. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a comment, hit that like button, and stick around for more. And remember, you're a man with value. Act like it, live like it, and never be afraid to walk away when respect is gone.